अच्छा, आज का मैं नेक्स्ट सम स्टार्ट करो फ्रॉम 26. The sum has came on 2017. The angles of depression of two ships A and B as observed from the top of a lighthouse 60-meter high are 60 degree and 45 degree respectively. If the two ships are on the opposite side of the lighthouse, find the distance between two ships. Give your answer correct up to nearest whole number. So this is your lighthouse CD. So from this lighthouse, the angle of depression from this lighthouse, the angle of depression at the point A, that is 60 degree. That is 60 degree. So this is 60 degree means this is also 60 degree, and at the point B the angle of depression is 45 degree. So this is 45 degree means this is also 45 degree. So now join this is 60 means this is 60. So suppose distance between the foot of the lighthouse and the point A, or position of the ship AD, that is X, and the second ship is B, that is DB, that is Y. So from triangle ACD and from triangle CDB. Okay, so from triangle ACD, tan 60 degree equal to CD by AD, that imply root 3 is equal to CD means 60 by X, that implies X is equal to 60 by root 3. So that implies X is equal to 60 by root 3 into root 3 by root 3. So that is 60 root 3 by 3, that is equal to 20 into 1.73, that is equal to 34.64 meter. Now from triangle BCD, tan 45 degree is equal to perpendicular by base, that is CD by BD. That imply 1 is equal to 60 by Y, that is Y equal to 60 degree. So distance between X plus Y, distance between A and B will be X plus Y. Okay, so X plus Y is equal to 60 plus 34.64 meter, that is 94.64 meter, that is 95 meter. Okay, 27. Sum number 27. An aeroplane at an altitude of 250 meter observed the angle of depression of two boats on the opposite bank of a river to be 45 degree and 60 degree respectively. Find the width of the river. Write the answer correct up to the nearest whole number. So this is the altitude of the aeroplane. The position of the aeroplane is at A. So distance between ground and the aeroplane is AD. Now from the plane, two boats are at position B and C. So the angle of depression for the ship B is 45 degree. That means this is also 45 degree. Now angle of depression for the ship C from the point A, that is 60 degree. So this is 60 degree means this is also 60 degree. Okay, AD is equal to 250 meter. Now let BD is equal to X and DC is equal to Y. Therefore from triangle ABD, perpendicular 45 degree is equal to base by perpendicular. So X by 25, 250 is equal to cot 45 degree. So this is equal to X equal to 250 meter. You can take tan 45 also. Okay. Now from triangle ADC, Y by 250 is equal to cot 60 degree. That imply Y by 250 equal to 1 by root 3. That imply Y is equal to 250 into 1 by root 3. Okay. Now distance between B and C is equal to BD plus DC. So x plus y is equal to 250 plus 250 by root 3. So take common 250 from here, you will get 1 plus 1 by root 3. So 250 into root 3 plus 1 by root 3. So that is equal to 250 into 1.73 plus 1 by 1.73. So this is equal to 250 into 2.73 by 1.73, that is equal to 250 into 1.577, that is equal to 394.25 meter. That means 394 meter. Okay. Now sum number 28. The sum number 28 is from a tower 126 meter high. The angle of depression of two rocks which are in horizontal line through the base of a tower are 16 degree and 12 degree 20 minute. Find the distance between two rocks if they are on same side of the tower or opposite side of the tower. Suppose this is tower AB. The angle of depression of the rocks, that is at C and D respectively. So angle of depression of this point C is 16 degree and of this point D is 12 degree 20 minutes. If these two rocks are in the same side of this tower, that is AB. Okay. So distance between BC is equal to x and distance between BD is y. Suppose AB is the tower from and C and D are two rocks on the same side of the line. The angle of depressions are 16 degree and 12.20 minutes. Now from triangle ABC, tan 16 degree is equal to perpendicular by base, that is AB by BC. So tan 16 degree, that implies 0.2867 is equal to 126 by x. That implies x is equal to 126 by 0.2867, that is equal to 439.48. Okay. Now from triangle ABD, okay, tan 12 degree 20 minutes is equal to perpendicular by base, that is AB by BD. Okay. So BD is your y. So value of tan 12 degree 20 minutes is equal to 2186 equal to 126 by y. So if you will calculate it, you will get the value of y, that is 576.40. Now CD, you have to find out the CD. You know the value of BD and BC. If you subtract this, you will get the value of CD. So your CD is equal to BD minus BC. That is equal to 576.40 minus 439.48, that is equal to 136.92 meter. Okay. And if two ships are opposite side of the tower, then the distance between B and D is x plus y, that is equal to 576.40 plus 439.48, that is equal to 1015.88. Okay. Now sum number 29. A man 1.8 meter high stand at a distance 3.6 meter from a lamp post and cast a shadow of 5.4 meter on the ground. A man that is 1.8 meter high stand at a distance 3.6 meter from the lamp post, that is DE, and cast a shadow on the ground C. Okay. So height of this lamp post be AB and height of height of the lamp post is AB and the height of the man is DE, that is 1.8. Okay. And both are in distance of 3.6 meter. They cast a shadow from here and meet on the ground at the point C. So distance between from this man and this point which meets in the ground is 5.4 meter. So let AB be the lamp post and a man stand at a distance 3.6 meter from the post at the point E. The height of the lamp post DE is equal to 1.8 meter and EB is equal to 3.6 meter. Okay. Now CE be the shadow of the man, therefore 5.4, the distance is that 5.4 meter. Let the height of AB is equal to x. Since DE is equal to BF, that is equal to 1.5 meter, since they are parallel. Again EB is equal to DF is equal to 3.6 meter. Okay. Now from triangle AFD, tan theta equal to perpendicular by base, that is AF by DF. That implies tan theta equal to, this height will be x minus 1.8 by 36. Okay, this height AF is equal to x minus 1.8 because this height is 1.8. Okay. Now tan theta is equal to x minus 1.8 by 30. Achha, now from triangle DCE means DCE, এই ছোট ট্রায়াঙ্গেলটা যদি ধরি, then tan theta is equal to DE by CE, CE মানে এটা হলো, তাহলে ভ্যালু বসালাম, তাহলে 1/3 হলো। ওকে, আর একটা জিনিস বলে দিই, যেহেতু এটা প্যারালাল লাইন, এটা ট্রান্সভার্সাল লাইন, তাই এইটা থিটা হলে এটাও থিটা হবে। ওকে, সেই হিসাবে দুটোই থিটা পেয়েছি আমরা। ঠিক আছে, এবার ট্যান থিটার ভ্যালু পেলাম, তাহলে দুটো থেকে ট্যান থিটার ভ্যালু পেয়েছি, এটা আর এটাকে ইকুয়েট করে দেবো। ওকে, কী হবে, এক্স মাইনাস 1.8 by 3.6 equal to 1/3. Now do cross multiplication, you will get x minus 1.8 is equal to 1.2, that imply x equal to 3. Therefore height of AB is 3 meter. Okay, so this is your final answer. So next day we will discuss the next sums. Okay.